Hello everyone, today I will be discuss business management with the topic corporate social responsibility and managerial ethics. Before I begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Stefan Satria, study ID number 2531110C2, class SE25E. Study Program Information System. Presentation agenda. Number 1, managerial ethic definition, view, and factor affecting behavior. Number 2, CSR fundamental, classical versus socio-economic view, the pyramid. Number 3, real world application, green management, ESG, and case studies. The modern business dilemma, profit versus principles. Every manager faces a critical choice, short-term gain or long-term responsibility. Number 1, solely cut costs by polluting. Number 2, solely by unfair wage to boost smart goods. Number 3 is legal, always the same as right. What is managerial ethic? The code of moral principles and values that govern the behavior of a person or a group with respect to what is right or wrong. For view of ethics. Number 1, utilitarian view. Discuss are made so on the basis of their outcomes. The goal, the greatest good for the greatest number. Number 2, right view. Concerned with respecting and protecting individual liberties and privileges. Number 3, theory of justice view. Manager impose and enforce rules fairly and impartially. Equitable distribution of benefits. Number 4, integrative social contract. Discussion should be based on existing ethical norms in industry and communities. Factor affecting ethical behavior. Individual characteristic to structural variable to organizational culture. Number 1, individual characteristic, value and personality. Number 1, value, basic conviction about what is right and wrong. Number 2, ego strength, the strength of a person, conviction, like ego strength, more consistent ethical behavior. Number 3, locus of control, internal, I control my destiny or take responsibility. External, fate or lucky, control me or blame others. Number 2, structural variable, basic mean for ethics. An organization structure can minimize ambiguity and encode ethical behavior. Number 1, formal rules, codes of conduct that guide decision. Number 2, performance appraisal. Do we reward this at any cost, or do we reward the method? Number 3, reward allocation. The more ethic behavior, and reward, the more likely it is to continue. Number 3. Organizational control. Shared value. The strongest influence on the ethic is culture high in this tolerance, control, and conflict tolerance can challenge ethics. Value-based management, an approach where management establishes and upholds shared organization values. These values serve as guideposts for our decisions, improving ethical behavior. Number 1. Employee selection. Screen out applications with ethically questionable background. Number 2. Codes of ethics. A formal statement of an organization, primary value, and ethical code. Number 3. Ethic training. Seminar and workshop to reinforce the organization standard. Corporate social responsibility, or CSR. The classic view. Milton Friedman. The social responsibility of business is to increase the profit with result for social good within misuse of stockholder funds. Number 2. The socio-economic view. Modern view. Management's responsibility goes beyond profit to include protecting and improving society welfare. Corporations are not independent entities, they rely on society to operate. The CSR debate. Argument for public experience. Public opinion support business pursue social goals. Number 2. Long-run profit. Social responsible companies tend to have more secure long-term profit. Number 3. Ethical obligation. It is simply the right thing to do. Argument against. Number 1. Violation of purpose. Business exists solely for economic profit. Number 2. Cost. Social action impose costs that are passed on to consumer. Lack of skill business leader lack the skill to address social issues. Carroll Pyramid of CSR. Carroll CSR Pyramid. Number 1. Be a good corporate action. Contribute resource to the community. Improve quality of life. Philanthropic responsibilities. Number 2. Be ethical. Obligation to do what is right and fair. Play by the rules of the game. Ethical responsibilities. Number 3. Obey the law. Legal. Obey the law. Law is society. Codification of right and wrong. Play by the rules of the game. Legal responsibility. Number 4. Be profitable. The fundamental upon with all other risks. Economic responsibility. Number 1. Philanthropic. Be a good corporate. Quits all desire. Number 2. Ethical. Be ethical or expanded. Number 3. Legal. Obey the law. Requisite. Economic. Be profitable. Stakeholder management. Stakeholders are any constituencies in the organization environment affected by its decision. Number 1. Internal. Employees, shareholders, and board of directors. Number 2. External. Customer, supplier, government, communities, and media. Green management. Sets of green. How organization approach environmental issue. Number 1. Legal or light green. Doing only what is required by law. Number 2. Market approach. Responding to environmental preference of customer. Number 3. Stakeholder approach. Meeting environmental demands of employees or community. Number 4. Activists or dark green. Actively seeking ways to conserve the earth. Next, ethics in a global context. Global compact and initiative asking companies to embrace, support, and enact within their spheres of influence a set of core values in the address of. Number 1. Human life. Number 2. Labor standard. Number 3. Environment. Number 4. Anti-corruption. Fight corrupt practices or VFCPA. It is illegal for U.S. firm to knowingly corrupt a flag official. However, there is payment or small payment to speed up routine process are sometimes permissible, reflecting the complexity of global ethics. Next, case study. File law. The Volkswagen scandal on Dieselgate, the which VW installed software in 12 million diesel car to cheap emission tests. The cost $30 billion in fines. Massive loss of consumer trust. Criminal charge against executive. Decent profit at the expense of ethics is a taking time bomb. Next, case study success. Patagonia. The mission we were indigenous to save our home planet. The action Don't buy this jacket campaign or anti-consumerism. 1% for the planet or self-imposed or tax. Founder Nippon Shonar donated the entire company to fight climate change. Vision, purpose, driven business clicks, unmatched brand loyalty. The future ESG, environmental, social, and governance. ESG is the evolution of CSR into measurable metric for investor. E. Carbon footprint and waste as labor standard and diversity. G. Compassion and transparency. That concludes the discussion on business management. Hopefully, this information is helpful and broadens your horizon. Thank you for watching until the end. See you later.